Hello, hello. Tashi dele chang mala tusum dele shuai. Da taring ye number chola ya exhibition place la TI. Da dangu di dini main entrance ni ya zuwa da dini pa la chonggang da damenda yore. Da di cho dele ya pu zemu zesa re. Na yi pu zemu zesa la kyus ti uro. Da de pu zemu zesa che. Nangal saya dari dua. Tadi ni main madros na tadi ni mah semua sesa sama yore. Ta electric motorcycle station syad ele Winfast se tere. Ning jo duk motor. Tadi farm re farm. Ya, da tering ye kenzo ठीक in the exhibition place ठीक in the tari.
Eat it.
What's the best view?
Stop it!
Killing ponies.
唔係我哋沿路行過一路玩下，跟住過去，差唔多咯。
Two anchors, one heart, two anchors and a heart, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes. Thank you. January. So close though. Thank you guys so much for playing. We got a winner over here. Woo! Alright, we got some big
Moving around, I'm showing everybody how on every side. Watch it, look at me go. Check it out, look. Watch it, look at me go. I'm gonna pick it up about an inch up in the air. Watch, lean with it. Watch it, look at me go, guys. Watch it, look at me go. I pick it up. Watch, I lean with it. You gotta remember to keep that weight all the way down the neck of that bottle. You gotta remember before you begin, guys, to take a good look at my hand. Everybody watch it. Then the guys who just walked up in the back, I'll show you how. You pick it up, you hold it. You want to the bottle, swing it like this. Don't try to push it in. You know it's not gonna work. Pick the bottle up just a little bit. After you got 15 to rope. Every single heart is in the bottle. There you go. Megan was over here.
Sorry, I could only do
Come on in, have a look. I won't spray you guys, I promise. The shower head, the holder, and the handheld increases the force of the water.
Oh, but you went here.
Which are those products from?
She likes this one here. She wants her I told her my dress one. I'm busy with this one.
There was so much to the love, you should.
Good job.
video games, Intel. Changma video game, Risha, video game.
The one that Jake
Scooter. Ah, there's a video game competition, right? Ah, see that, eh? The gamer sang what they do. Video gamer kera chimbu ditu re. $5. Shoes. $50. Any shoes, $50. $3, $4, $5. Jacuzzi. Sunglasses, $10.
42, 50, and All-Breed Champion Final. Cats numbers.
Adi cat temutaya, shimi temutaya, shimi. Shimi ki competition yahan yo re 3. Dekho ni ko dishte. Ta shimi rig damenda do.
There's always
Yeah.
because they are very
Beautiful. What kind of breed is that?
He's a Maine Coon.
Sorry?
He's a Maine Coon.
Oh, Maine Coon. Oh, beautiful. It's very unique. Bigger.
Well, he's not
Oh, he's-
finished growing yet.
Oh, okay.
He's a year old.
So for how many competition he have been?
He's been in a couple. I started showing him when he was about 8 months, and he's a year now.
Oh, okay. So these are the awards, right?
That's for this kitty, and these are for him.
Oh, okay. Wow, very unique color, eh? Wow. Where is this breed from?
Siberian.
Oh, Siberian. Okay. Beautiful. Thank you. 다 니네 창마 시미르샤 시미다 낭로 세우 통구면도 다 담면도 시미 릭 담면도.
Heather Garvey to the announces.
And final call for cats number 28, and 29. That's ring 4.
Where did this cat
second
from?
and final call
Where did this
for
cat
cats
from?
numbers
As a
28
breed?
and 29.
I did not hear it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Give me one. Look at the black one. Where did he come from?
Like, where are they? I'm like, I don't know. What is this? 50.
29.
Heather, go.
This is
Where is that from?
Devon Rex.
Devon Rat.
Yeah.
Wow. It's very unique, beautiful.
Yes, she is.
Beautiful.
Excuse me, what kind are they?
British Shorthairs.
British short hair? That makes sense.
British owner. Where is this breed from?
Bengal. Bengal.
Bengal.
Leopard cat.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Aren't they expensive? Yeah, they're pretty pricey. He's bigger ones. Brown ones are
Breed is that?
Scottish Straight.
Sorry?
Scottish Straight.
Scottish Stray. Okay, can I see? Wow,
Bit nervous.
so beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
You are like. Are you scared? She said, "No, really. I'm not really scared. But I'm scared." How old is she now? She's 5. She's almost 6. You're handling it so well, though. Alright. So far, she's been best in every ring. That's not too bad. No. Kathy Balmer. No, that's okay. We're okay.
Nice.
Get your off,